When I was born, my parents owned a house on Proctor Road. I talked about Proctor Road, next to the John Deere factory, and but I wasn't, I was under 2 at that time, so I needed a babysitter when my parents would work, because both worked, and so the Foley's was across the street, and every day I'd get dragged across the street and stay at the Foley's until Mom would return from work, or my father would return from work. And so those Foley's moved out towards Brandon in the later years, but they bought the Model T that was in the barn. One of the horse stalls had a Model T, and as cousins and kids, we would go and pretend and driving and everything in that old Model T with the rumble seat. And it was old, but Mr. Foley was my metal shop teacher. He took that Model T out of them and moved it up. He restored it. And the last time I was last time about 5 years ago, that Model T is still on the road. And still owned, probably by to his sons and all that, but I don't know the whole story, but the Foleys own the Model T that was in the horse stall that was on the farm itself.